Hello, my good friends. E aí, meus amigos? How are you doing? Sometimes I almost forget that I live in Brazil because I speak more English than Portuguese. Even that my English is not that good, but I know you can understand. Okay, friends, today I have something interesting to share with you that got my attention. We already discussed that this year, 2020, is something different from everything that we seen and we know, because seasonality, fundamentals, everything are completely screwed, and we can rely on even simple things that work in the past. And if you see, for currencies in the last 2 months, the market is ranging, and for breakout traders or trend traders like me, it's not been easy. But I want to show you one thing, and I think this will illustrate my point, and also to show that this is not easy for most of the trader, even for the big boys. So if you are having troubles trading, be cool, and it's not just you, okay? I already discussed it with you and with the members inside the community, the importance of the commercials trading, because the markets were created through commercials, and the role of commercials is to hedge and to fix costs and things like that. And you can see this in this article I wrote that is available for you. I will let it in the description of the video, and you will see that commercials are counter trend traders. So it's normal for you to see on an uptrend, you see commercials selling, and in the downtrend they buying. While the non-commercials, these are banks, funds. These guys, they do not have physical the physical commodity. For example, they do not have gold, they do not have soybeans, so they have to make money trading. So the non-commercials are the responsible to fuel the trend. So they need to buy at 10 and sell at 20. Okay. So one thing strange happening with SP500, the mean contract that it's the most liquid. As you can see, the last since start of the March, USP 500 posted an incredible V-shaped recovery, as you can see here. But one thing that caught my attention is the following. If we get the start of March, you will see that, can you see right here? You can see commercials, you can see non-commercials behaving like non-commercials. So during all this trend up, we are seeing non-commercials selling, and they even increased their position on the last release, on the last week. So it makes me think that or I miss something, or these guys, they are right now holding a very they are in losses underwater. And on the other side, check this. Since this trend starts, what did the commercials? They were extremely short, and they closed all their position, and they are practically with no positions. And you can see right here in this chart that the commercials, the long and short position is practically the same, and the net position is nothing. We can say that this is practically zero. Okay, so this makes me think one thing, that I think if you haven't read the daily report, I will also leave the link for you here. This is see, this is what I'm going to talk. All this, I think, for me, looks like all this move was caused by retail. We have a lot of brokerage house in Germany and UK saying that they use a funny wording in mommy and pop trading start to going up. So retail traders are the ones that were responsible for this trend. They were the one that pushed the market here. Now, two things that come into my mind. Or we are going to see extremely and strong short squeeze of these guys closing this position if the market starts to trend up, or we are going to see retail traders getting hammered by who? By commercials. Because right now these guys, they simply do not have positions. These guys are extremely short, and as we can see, retail traders are extremely long, and commercials, they are behaving exactly like retails right now. So we have to wait and see. And for what I'm reading and for what is in this report, it's most possible that we are going to see the SP 500 going down. So that's it that I want to share with you, this curious behavior that is happening right now in the SP 500. This is something that I never saw before. You can see the green line is the non-commercials right here, and the blue line is the commercials. You can see they always behave like mirrors, so they most of the time hold opposite positions, but not right now. So this is something strange, and if the move is going to be for the upside or to the downside, one thing I can guarantee you is going to be an explosive move. So stay tuned, okay, friends? And that's it. I hope you have a nice day. And if you are not subscribed yet to the channel, please do it. And leave your like or your dislike. And please leave a comment telling me what you think about this strange behavior. If you saw this another time in the past, if you saw it in another currency, I will be happy to hear from you. Okay, my friend? Have a nice day. Bye-bye.